Welcome to the Builder's Surplus Kitchen and Bath Cabinet channel. This video will go over how to quickly and easily install a rollout tray and pilaster kit. Let's get started. Here are the items you will need. You'll need the rollout tray itself, of course, the included knuckles and screws, a pilaster kit, 2 rails, a drill, and a hand wrench. Let's start with the knuckles and screws. The knuckles will be installed onto the outside of the rails, one on each end. Drill the smaller screws into the knuckle and use the wrench to hold the knuckle level while drilling. The hook on the knuckles should be facing upwards. Next, you're going to want to remove any drawers from the cabinets. This will make it easier to install the rollout tray. Each drawer has 2 release levers towards the front, which when pressed simultaneously releases the drawer. You will also need to remove the shelves and shelf clips into cabinet. Once the drawer and shelves are off, we will turn our attention to the pilaster kits. The knuckles on the rails should hook into the pilaster kit easily. Hook 1 pilaster kit onto each end of a rail and place them inside the cabinet. As you can see, having the rail hooked on helps with measuring how far to set the pilasters apart. Move the pilaster nearest to you as close to the front as possible and drill one of the larger screws into the lowest accessible screw hole. Do the same for the back pilaster as well, making sure the screw holes are facing each other. Once the bottom 2 screws are in place, we are going to remove the rail and place it back into the pilasters as close to the top as possible. We will then drill 2 more screws into the highest accessible screw holes. Repeat these steps on the other side of the cabinet until all 4 corners have a pilaster in place. You will then want to drill the rest of the screws into the remaining drill holes to reach maximum support. You should now be able to mount your rollout tray. To do so, simply extend the rails out and slide them into the brackets underneath the drawer. You should also make sure the small hooks on the rails go into the holes at the back of the tray. Once you hear them click, you should be good to go. Feel free to move the rails and trays to your desired height and add more if needed. Thanks for watching.